Now student, we are going to discuss question number 5.21, and in this question it is given to you a magnetic dipole is under the influence of two magnetic field. Find the angle between field direction is 60 degrees. So let's assume, let's suppose here we have this is a direction of magnetic field. Yes, so yes. Now we can see, let's suppose here we have two magnetic field. Number one magnetic field, this is B1, and let's suppose this is another magnetic field B2. It is given in a question, we have angle between these two field. This is given 60 degree. Fine. Now it is given here one of the field a magnetic dipole is under the influence of two field. Okay, one of the field has a magnitude of 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. So let's suppose I am assuming B1, this is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. Fine. If the dipole comes to stable equilibrium at an angle 15 degree with this field. Clear? So now let's suppose here we have, this is the position of this dipole. So let's suppose I can say this is position of dipole. Let's suppose this is position of dipole. Clear? And at this position this dipole is in stable equilibrium making an angle 15 degree with this field. Okay, now what is magnitude of other field? Now listen first carefully. Actually we are placing any magnetic dipole, and magnetic dipole in the under the influence of magnetic field. So definitely when this magnetic dipole is in equilibrium, it means I can say net torque that is acting on this dipole is 0. Yes or no? You can assume this magnetic dipole such that, let's suppose here we have a short magnet. You can say this is north and south, and we can say net torque acting on this short magnet, that is 0. At that time we can say here this is in stable equilibrium. So how can we write? We can write like this: tau 1 equal to tau 2. Clear? This angle is given to you 15 degree. I can say this angle we have 45 degree. Clear? So from here I can write like this: tau 1 equal to tau 2. So we can say magnetic moment M B1, I can say this is sin theta 1. This should be equal to M B2 sin of theta 2. Clear? Nothing information is given regarding M. So I can say because this is related to a single dipole, so single magnetic dipole, I can say M will remain same. Clear? So from here you can say we can calculate here value B2. This is given by B1 sin of theta 1 divided by sin of theta 2. Clear? So value of B2, this is given by, what is value of B1? B1 value we have 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 multiply sin, I can say theta 1. Clear? So theta 1 I am saying this is 15 degree divided by, I can say this is sin 6, we can say 45, sin 45. This is sin of 45 degree. Clear? So from here I can write like this: value of B2, this is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 multiply sin 15. Actually you can calculate here value of sin 15 by a simple method. You can write here like this: sin 45 minus 30. Clear? You can apply here formula sin A minus B. What is formula of sin A minus B? I can say sin A cos of B minus, I can say cos of A sin of B. Clear? So directly you can say cos 30. Cos 30 equal to what? Under root of 3 by 2. Clear? So this is equal to under root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 upon, this is 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Clear? So from here if you solve it, under root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, you can say, you can calculate here value, and approximately this will come out to be 0.25 approximately. Clear? So I can say here, we can write here this is 0.25 and it is divided by, because this is sin 45, sin 45 means I can say this is 1 by root 2. Clear? Now we have to just calculate value of B2. Yes. Now we can say here value of B2. Value of B2, this is given by 1.2 into under root 2 into, I can say 1 by 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Clear? So from here we can write like this, this is 3 divided by 10 into under root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. From here you can say this is 3 root 2 multiply 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. Clear? So from here we can say 3 multiply 1.414 into 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. So if you multiply it, you can see this is, we have 12, 1, 4, we can say 12, we have 1, 4.242 into 10 to the power minus 3 Tesla. You can convert into Gauss also, because this is we can find it, because 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla equal to 1 Gauss. Clear? So from here we can say this is 0.42 G. Clear? So I can say this is value of B2. Clear? So this is all about this question. Clear to everyone?